Here are some amazing facts about flying lemur. 2 species. There are only 2 species, the Sunda colugo and the Philippine colugo. Order Dermoptera, they belong to the order Dermoptera. Patagium, they have a large patagium, a membrane that stretches from their neck to the tips of their fingers, toes, and tail. Arboreal, they are tree dwellers, rarely coming down to the ground. Excellent gliders, they can glide over 100 meters 328 feet in a single leap. Herbivorous, their diet consists mainly of leaves, shoots, flowers, and fruits. Nocturnal, they are mostly active at night. Large eyes, they have large, forward-facing eyes that help with night vision. Long claws, they have long, sharp claws for gripping tree trunks and branches. Solitary, they are generally solitary animals, except during mating season. Mother's care, mothers carry their young with them during glides. Gestation period, their gestation period lasts about 60 days. Marsupial-like pouch, the female has a pouch-like skin flap to carry her young. Low reproduction rate, they usually give birth to 1 offspring at a time. Weight, they typically weigh between 1 and 2 kilograms 2.2 to 4.4 pounds. Length, they are about 35 to 40 centimeters 14 to 16 inches long. Habitat, they live in tropical rainforests of Southeast Asia. Excellent camouflage, their fur coloration helps them blend into the tree bark. Soft fur, their fur is soft and dense. Slow movers, they move slowly when climbing. Belly fur, the fur on their belly is sparse. Teeth structure, their teeth are comb-like, which helps in grooming. Vocalization, they produce a variety of sounds for communication. Lifespan, they can live up to 15 years in the wild. Echolocation, they do not use echolocation. Predators, their main predators include large birds of prey. Threats, habitat loss and hunting are significant threats to their population. Endangered status, they are listed as least concern but are vulnerable due to deforestation. Unique order, they are the only members of the order Dermoptera. Bone structure, they have unique skeletal adaptations for gliding. Large colon, their colon is large and helps in digesting fibrous plant material. Diurnal rest, they rest in tree hollows or dense foliage during the day. Temperature regulation, their gliding membrane helps regulate body temperature. High metabolism, they have a high metabolic rate due to their active lifestyle. Scent glands, they have scent glands for marking territory. Gliding mechanics, they control their glide with subtle movements of their limbs and tail. Wide distribution, they are found from southern Thailand to Borneo and the Philippines. Forest dependence, they are highly dependent on mature forest ecosystems. Secondary growth, they can sometimes be found in secondary forests. Scientific name, the Sunda colugo is known as Galeopterus variegatus. Philippine colugo, the Philippine colugo is known as Cynocephalus volans. Gliding range, they can change direction mid-glide. Landing precision, they have precise landing abilities. Tail function, their tail is not prehensile but helps in steering during glides. Hind limbs, their hind limbs are longer than their forelimbs. Thumbs, their thumbs are not opposable. Convergent evolution, they exhibit convergent evolution with other gliding animals. DNA studies, genetic studies show they are closely related to primates. Early fossils, fossils of early colugos date back to the Eocene epoch. Little studied, they are among the least studied of the gliding mammals. Mating season, their mating season varies depending on the region. Parental care, both parents may be involved in caring for the young. Slow reproduction, they have a slow reproductive rate. Human interaction, they have minimal interaction with humans. Conservation efforts, there are ongoing efforts to conserve their habitat. Mythology, in some cultures, they are part of local mythology and folklore. Skull structure, their skull structure is unique and adapted for a herbivorous diet. Ear sensitivity, they have sensitive hearing to detect predators. Minimal fossil record, they have a sparse fossil record. Body adaptations, their bodies are highly adapted for an arboreal lifestyle. Prehensile feet, their feet are well adapted for gripping branches. Behavioral adaptations, they exhibit a variety of behaviors to avoid predators. Longevity in captivity, they tend not to thrive in captivity. Research importance, they are important for understanding mammalian evolution. Cryptic species, they are considered cryptic species due to their elusive nature. Reproductive biology, their reproductive biology is still not well understood. Environmental indicators, they can be indicators of forest health. Cultural significance, they hold cultural significance in some indigenous communities.